California native landscapes. You know, it's a romantic idea, but can we talk the truth here for a little bit? Can you handle the truth? The fact is, they're not beautiful landscapes. Your neighbors are going to get really ticked off at you if you put them in. You want to be friendly to them, don't you? Now, hold on with me. If it wasn't the truth, don't you think that they'd be putting them up and down the street right now? Yeah, they're just not pretty plants. I mean, look at these things right here. These are California native plants, and they have problems. Number one, they're ugly. Okay, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But you want to know something else? There's other problems with these. These right here, they go dormant in the summertime. Why would you want a dormant plant in the summertime? You're home during the summertime, aren't you? You want to enjoy plants. The other thing is this, they're going to be all browned out. The second flame comes up, they're going to catch on fire because these are loaded with oils. Now, what about photosynthesis? The leaf surfaces on these are so tiny that you're not going to get the maximum amount of photosynthesis so that it cleans up the greenhouse gases. Let me tell you what you got to do though. You gotta use grass, because using grass just makes so much sense. Grass is fast growing, they're denser, they got a great leaf surface, they're doing all the right things that, quite frankly, those things can't do. So the next time you think about putting in a landscape, make sure that you incorporate sod and grass and turf, because it's just a beautiful thing. Now, if you want to take those natives and put them here and there in your landscape, knock your socks off. Just don't make it the whole landscape.